Whether you want to play some cards, eat a meal, or type on your laptop, the Grand California has a large table which can be erected to form a dining and communal area behind the cab. The table is stored in the bed area in the rear and is secured by 2 straps. To set up the table, release the securing straps and move it over to the communal area. Then clip the table into the guide rail to the side of the rear bench seat. Hold the table in position while fully unfolding the table leg until it locks securely into place. If you don't get it exactly right the first time and want to move its position, simply lift up the table slightly and slide it as needed. To remove the table, unlock the leg and refold it before placing it back on the bed. For safety reasons, the table must be stowed on the bed and secured with the straps before each journey.